So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply strike-through in Excel. So I have an Excel document here. I have some data and I have some text. So in column F, I have some tasks to be completed. So I have a few lines with text here and I'm going to apply strike-through on each of them. So for example, I want to apply strike-through on call company to add channel. All I have to do, I'll just select the text. So to apply the strike-through on the keyboard, I just have to hold down the Control key and 5, and the strike-through is applied. So I will apply the strike-through on cancel service. I'll hold the Control key and 5 on the keyboard. On the next one, the same thing. I'll hold the Control key and 5 on the keyboard. I'll hold the Control key and 5 on the keyboard. And as you can see, so that's how you can apply strike-through on text in Excel. Now I can do this also, for example, in column C. So in column C, I'm going to apply a strike-through on the first cell to be paid on the first. I'll select the cell, hold the Control key and 5. Now I can also do this with multiple cells. So for example, I'm going to select these cells and I'm going to apply a strike-through on all those cells. I'll hold the Control key and 5 on the keyboard. I can also do this with numbers. So in column D, on the amount, so I'll select 2000. So on the keyboard, I'll hold the Control key and 5, and I can do this with multiple numbers. So I'll select 80 to 125. I'm going to apply a strike-through on each one of them. I'll hold the Control key and 5 on the keyboard, and all 4 of those numbers, the strike-through was applied. The strike-through does not block the numbers for being added. So for example, I'm going to select 2000 to 125 and I'm going to select auto sum and I get the total here. I'll select all the numbers under amount, click on auto sum and I get the total. So a strike-through applied on numbers does not affect the calculation of the numbers. It's just a format. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching and I want to thank you for subscribing.